Hello!
Hi.
I am Dr. Karabanuliv.
Hi.
So, we may think you have STI. Is that right, Max?
Yeah, doctor. I noticed a bump down there the other day.
No. Put that away. We will save that for later.
Okay.
Wait a second. I need to take a look at your sexual history chart.
Okay.
It says here you've had sexual relations with 3 new people in the last 2 months. Anal sex, vaginal sex, and you haven't been using condoms.
Not every time.
Wait a second. It says again that you've had 2 sexual partners in the last 6 months. So that totals to 4. Boy. And it also says here your last partner, you had sexual relations for 2 years.
Yes.
That is not nice. And do you have homosexual behaviors?
What?
You know, sex with men, boys, the elderly, homosexual behavior.
No, I don't. Sorry.
Well, sorry. I had to ask. You see, it's on your sex chart.
What?
Yeah, we know how you college boys are. You like to experiment, you know, sexual risk activities. Here you have multiple partners, and you don't wear condoms while you have sex every time.
Oh, I will, but from now on I will, I swear.
Is there a specific encounter that you were worried about?
Yes, it actually happened in early June.
And this time, you did not wear condom. Okay, that was at least 2 months ago. The symptoms should be showing now. Do you have fever, sore throat?
I do have a sore throat, and a fever I had one day, yeah.
Have you had swollen testicles?
Oh, yeah, no, I'm fine.
Burning sensation in the urination, leakage,
No, none of that.
Okay, lay on your back. Lay on your back. Let's see. Let me take a look at this lump.
Don't touch it.
Okay. Have you been going to the gym lately?
Yeah. I mean, I started going frequently just recently.
And do you shower immediately after?
Well, I mean, not like immediately after.
Oh, that's gross.
Oh, God,
You
gross.
have boil on your leg. You need to wash after going to the gym. Please, be cleaner.
Oh, is that it? Oh, I'm so relieved. Thank you so much.
Don't worry. I still have to check your balls.
What? You said I was clean.
It doesn't mean I don't like to take a look at your balls. Please, if you may stand up. And now, remove the pants. Oh boy, we have a big one here.